Hi, this is GB and GB's Adventures. Play ball! Fort Bragg's 2025 Labor Day Parade swings big. By noon on Labor Day, Fort Bragg's main street had transformed into a living stadium of flannel, brass, and baseball-themed pageantry. Locals lined the sidewalks with folding chairs and foam fingers, ready for the annual Paul Bunyan Days parade, a tradition that's equal parts logging lore, community pride, and joyful chaos. This year's theme, Play Ball, brought a sporty twist to the coastal celebration. Floats rolled down the route, decked out like miniature baseball parks, complete with dugouts, bleachers, and oversized peanuts. Babe, the blue ox, wore cleats and a jersey towering over a float that pitched foam baseballs into the crowd. Logging crews dressed as umpires tossed sawdust curveballs, while youth baseball teams waved bats from hay bales chanting, "Go Fort Bragg" with hometown gusto. The Humboldt State Marching Lumberjacks stole the show with their signature blend of musical mayhem and theatrical absurdity. Clad in mismatched flannel and hard hats, they blasted out offbeat renditions of Louie Louie and Tequila, occasional stopping mid-route to form a human baseball diamond and pantomime a full inning, complete with a dramatic slide across Main Street. One sousaphone player had a giant foam baseball mounted into their bell. Another marched with a mercifully unplugged chainsaw. Their banners read, "We're not good, but we're loud." And loud they were, earning cheers and laughter and a few covered ears from the crowd. Musical highlights continued with Fort Bragg High School Band, whose brass-heavy version of "Take Me Out to the Ball Game" echoed off storefronts. Homo tribal dancers and drummers added depth and rhythm, grounding the parade in the region's deeper heritage. Labor solidarity was front and center. Marching units included firefighters, teachers, healthcare workers, and local unions, all carrying signs calling for fair wages and community investment. As the parade looped from Maine to Franklin and Oak, the crowd swelled, locals, tourists, and longtime parade goers cheering from curbs and balconies. Vendors sold kettle corn, commemorative pins, and flannel shirts. The fog burned off just in time, revealing a crisp blue sky and a breeze off the Pacific.
Stop. That is. Cowboy Days. Didn't fit the scenario at all.
Thank you so much for watching my video. You know that you can subscribe for free and it really helps me out. Please just click on my picture to subscribe.